Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We're going to share where we can get a battery for a fraction of the price. We can buy 3 batteries instead of 1, and they're amazing quality. We're going to share that with you as we go. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Any of you guys having a BMW, today will be super helpful video. We will explain how to program a car battery. If you replace your car battery, it's important to program it, otherwise the charging system may malfunction, not charge it correctly, and it can shorten the life of your car battery or overcharge it, which could be catastrophic as well. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that on a BMW. We'll demonstrate on that 3 Series, but it will cover almost any newer BMW guys. We're going to explain how to do that with that scanner here, which can pay itself off in one-time use. That's a tool that we'll definitely recommend. You can program computers, even keys with that thing. It's amazing too, that can pay itself off in one-time use. So let's start on it now. So guys, before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We work on Mercedes, BMW, German, American, Asian vehicles, all kind of vehicles. Why we make these absolutely free videos? To save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 14,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So guys, what we need to do now, how you can program it, let's go ahead and explain that now. We're going to come here, okay, we just installed a new battery on that BMW guys, okay, new battery right there was installed. So what we're going to do now, we're going to come to the driver's side, and you need to find your OBD port guys. Okay, and once you find your OBD port, okay, let me show you where you can find it. Here it's usually on the side. Okay, let me get the camera quick. Okay, and I need to get the key as well for the car, so we can start it. And here the OBD cover, you pull it, you will say OBD right there, usually like this one. Okay, just pull it. On many BMWs will be here, on some will be under the dash, but go ahead, pull that, connect the scanner here, and okay, it's going to plug in, it's going to read the voltage here on the side as well. And what we're going to do now guys, we'll come inside the vehicle. Okay, perfect. We'll push the key in. Do not start the car for anything. Just don't press the brake pedal. Press that key one time, okay, to see the lights on. Okay, that's perfect. Now we're going to go ahead, and here I want to show you, okay, a few other things. That's the scanner right there that we'll be using. Here what you need to do, we'll go to special functions. Under special functions, we need to do BMS reset. Do you see right here? We have quite a few special functions with that too. We can access any module, okay? And here is set BMS diagnosis. Please wait. Okay, we're going to click BMW 3 Series. Ours guys is E90 right here. Turn on the ignition. Okay, it's on and it's communicating now. Check it out, it's communicating. It's good to reset your codes after battery replacement because you have all kind of codes guys. So now it's communicating, connecting. It will take a little bit of time, failed to communicate. So let me go ahead and see, okay, if it's going to read it again. I'm going to restart the ignition switch. Okay, perfect. Turn on ignition. 1 second because I dropped the computer here. Okay, let's see if it's going to communicate now and if it's going to establish connection. So guys, this is amazing too, but we need to update it too. I never had a problem on BMWs. I usually work on newer ones, but on this one specifically I need to run an update. I think we'll be able to do it, but I'll get my Foxwell here, which is amazing. Auto can do it as well, but here you click in BRT, okay, but that's battery registry. You select that one, okay, and you run to BMW, select that 3 Series, okay, E90, select that one, enter, establishing vehicle communication, please wait, okay, you can hear it kind of clicking, record battery replacement instruction, execute record of battery replacement. So let's see what it says here. Okay, why record battery replacement? It tells you all about that, why you should do that and all that stuff. If you want, you can read through it. Okay, I'm going to scroll down. And now, so we're going to go right here. Okay, let's go back, execute, read record of battery replacement, enter. Now this is a great tool which is very inexpensive with many special functions as well. And now record battery replacement here, select that. In the next step, the battery replacement is recorded in the DME, the engine doesn't run, and the terminal 15 is turned on. Terminal 15 means that the ignition switch is on where your lights are on but the car is not running. Select now, okay, that will be F1. Okay, the battery is 90 amp hours, hours 2. So here, input, battery replacement, same quantity of electricity. Okay, so it will be number 1. Okay, let's see F1. It will be this one. Okay, so it will be F3, it will be communicating there. So it's going in there now, and all we have to do, okay, wait. Battery replacing successfully is recorded in the DME, Digital Motor Electronic System. The following is now being entered in the DME at 220,000 kilometers. The last second battery replaced, nobody registered battery replacement on that vehicle, but you can see we registered it. So we're practically done, guys. All we have to do, recycle the key, and if you check it later, you can check the history and it will be there. So guys, now that's how we register battery on BMW. It's amazing too. Okay, definitely check it out, guys. We have on our YouTube channels, we have, guys, more than 14,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars on any car, BMWs, American, Asian, all kind of stuff. So check it out, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.